real interesting plant that I have belongs to a group of the Manzanitas. Manzanitas grow on the west coast, Oregon, California, I think even up into BC. And they are becoming more and more popular as garden plants in my area. Before, you would have to go to a specialty nursery to get them, but now I'm starting to see them available at a lot of just about everywhere, which is great. These are really nice broadleaf evergreens. They do flower, but the thing about them is they do exceptionally well in Mediterranean climates. They can take our cool, wet winters, and they enjoy our hot, dry summers. And many of these species that we can cultivate, you will kill them if you water them in summertime. This one is called Sunset, after Sunset magazine. And this is one of the more tolerant ones of moisture. It doesn't quite get as big as the others. I think it gets to about 5 or 6 feet. But this one has really exceptional new growth on it. I've just been kind of pruning this into, I guess, more of a shrub shape. You can leave it. This will eventually form a small tree, but the new growth kind of comes out this fiery, coppery color. Got this real nice white texture. It will eventually fade to more of a green color, but such an easy shrub, medium to large size shrub. And eventually what you can do is you can trim it, remove the lower branches to expose the bark. They're also really well known for their bark. It's a very red color. The older growth in here you can see is more of a kind of a standard green color, but the new tender growth is, I mean, it's edged in this red. Really interesting, really good, easy plants for a hot spot if you have it. So I had one of my camrops here. They were kind of competing with one another, especially with these other big shrubs. So I removed it and just threw in this small yucca. So now I'm going to give this guy a little bit of space to breathe. But if you live anywhere on the west coast, manzanitas are something that you really need in your garden. And when they do flower, they also provide food for a lot of the native pollinators. I know the hummingbirds really like it. I'm sure the insects do as well.